Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Anthony Lugg. Jamaica's push to modernize its industrial infrastructure has taken another step as efforts continue to stimulate business activity and create new job opportunities. Shane Burke tells us more.
The redevelopment of one of Jamaica's largest industrial complexes, the Garmex Free Zone, is moving ahead in phases. Today, the Factories Corporation of Jamaica officially marked the completion of Phase 1, where 15 small businesses are already operating in the upgraded facilities. This project is expected to boost job creation and economic growth across the island.
This project was self-financed with a spend of 1.3 billion Jamaican dollars. And Mr. Prime Minister, I'm pleased to report that we have been yielding almost $200 million per annum in revenue for the newly built spaces, providing our investment to be financially viable.
This project is a direct response to the growing demand for industrial and commercial space, fueled by strategic location near Kingston's air and seaport.
What the FCJ is doing could not be more opportune, because the world is changing, and it is changing very rapidly. So there is a great push for nearshoring and friendly shoring, and a rethink of where the manufacturing capabilities of the world should exist.
Phases 2 and 3 will introduce multi-level warehouses, retail and commercial space, and is expected to create over 3,000 new jobs over the next 3 to 5 years. The investment for these phases is projected at over $200 million. Shane Burke, TVJ News.
Edufocal Group significantly reduced its net loss in the first quarter of 2025, reflecting the benefits of cost containment and operational streamlining as it continues to pivot towards a recurring revenue model. For the 3 months which ended March 31, 2025, Edufocal reported revenue of $29.97 million, broadly in line with the $30.01 million recorded in the same period last year. The company says this consistency supports its ongoing strategy of stabilizing income through more predictable revenue streams. This performance was driven by a 62% reduction in administrative expenses, which fell to $12.88 million from $34.16 million in the prior year, owing to internal restructuring and efficiency measures. The group ended the quarter with a net loss of $1.34 million, a marked improvement over the $20.87 million loss a year earlier, despite incurring $6.95 million in finance costs. The JSE index advanced by 1,514 points, while the junior market index increased by 14 points. The winners include Iron Rock Insurance Company, Caribbean Cream, Cygnus Credit Investments US dollar ordinary shares, Margaritaville Turks, and 138 Student Living Jamaica Limited variable preference shares. The losers include The Lab, Stanley Motor ordinary shares, R.A. Williams Distributors, ISP Finance Services, and One Great Studio Company, 20 stocks traded firm. And foreign exchange trading ended with banks and Cambio selling the US dollar for an average $160.95. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $117.30. The pound is going for $216.51, while the euro is selling for $185.30. And that's the Business Day. I'm Anthony Lugg. News from overseas after the break.
The Business Day, brought to you by